Want to see something neat? Check this out. Diagnosing the M3 wheel speed sensor. That's ABS. Read codes. Wheel speed sensor. We'll go to live data. Wheel speed sensor. Boom. Actually have an option. It's like they know it was going to go bad. We're on the right front and the left front. We're going to show just those two. See them numbers here. Right front wheel speed sensor, left front wheel speed sensor. See the value here? Remember we have the code for the left front. Nothing. Nothing. Coming up. No surprise. Let me go on the right side. All right. Right front wheel speed sensor, left front wheel speed sensor. See the values. I'm spinning now. See that? 3 miles an hour. Let me see how fast you can go. See if you can go 100. Close and scared. 100, 100. Close and scared. 100. Man, most we get at 9 miles an hour. We spin the right side, it register. Left side, it don't register. So now we'll pull off the wheel and make sure it's plugged in. This is the left front wheel speed sensor where it's located. Right back here. There you go. There you go, right there, that guy. But here's the connector box. Remember I told you about the box that BMW used to protect their wheel speed sensor and also brake pad sensor connectors. See? Nice little box. Keep off some of the dirt and grime. That right there. Right there. It's plugged in. It's not unplugged. You know, 2 wire. Go to it. You just push this little tab down. As you push it down, you hear him crunchy, crunchy. Come out. That's that. So we have one connection point there. Then we have one more here. And then we have destination. Blah! BMW not play like Mercedes. It uses a 5mm Allen, which is the perfect size because you need a 1/4-inch ratchet to get into this tight little space. So you fit it in there and then you just break it loose. I like using this style 1/4-inch ratchet because of the flexibility and versatility of it. You just remove the bolt, and sometimes these sensors are frozen in the steering knuckle. But fortunately this time with my pliers I just twisted left and right and was able to get the old part out. This is a new part. I'm just putting it in, lining up the hole so that you can thread back in carefully because this bolt, you know, you don't want to drop it. This bolt is really small and if it goes plink, clink, 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 clink in between somewhere now, man, you can just forget it. And it is difficult to find one of these in the bolt bag or the bolt bucket. So, new sensor installed, routed, and plugged back in. So now we're going to do the test again using the scanner and see if we get any reading. Let's go. Right front, left front. Show those two. All right. And we see that we are on the left side. We'll see if we read anything on this row right here. What? What? Look at that. Working. Working. Time for the start after all the repairs. All right. What's going on with the lights? What? What do you know? What do you know? Man, this thing is a beast, boy. You can just hear it, but it don't sound normal. Yeah. Man. There are some days when it seems like you can't fix nothing. Nothing. Everything you touch get worse. And then there are other days that you actually fix something. So I fix something with that one. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.